Gumroad is a simple platform for creators to sell digital downloads like ebooks, music, art, software, courses, templates, with built-in payment processing and delivery. Here's how to get started. Sign up at gumroad.com, free, email plus password, or Google, Apple login. Complete your profile. Add bio, profile picture, and payment details. PayPal or bank account for payouts. Verify your account. Email plus basic info to enable payouts. Create and upload your product. Click New Product, top right. Enter product name, description, rich text, A+ images, videos, and price. Fixed, pay what you want, or free. Upload files, up to 10 GB total per product, multiple files supported. Set cover image, thumbnail, and optional preview files. Customize settings. Enable license keys for software, limit downloads, add upsells, or create memberships. Add variants, for example, basic versus premium if needed. Click Publish. Your product gets a unique link. Promote and sell. Share the link on social media, email, or embed on your site. Gumroad handles payments, Stripe, PayPal, taxes, EU VAT, and auto-delivers files via email download page. Track sales in dashboard.